Korean food, photo booth, and cocktail bar in one place. Pwede, no? Meow guys! Yes, we are back again in Myeongdong Gastropub sa Morato. If you've been here, you know na busy yung main floor nila kasi doon yung Korean buffet nila. If you like a cozier ambiance, you may try their a la carte meals and pwede kayo sa second floor pumesto. Share ko na rin dito yung a la carte menu nila and ang dami rin nilang options and most of it hindi available sa buffet. May mga cocktails din sila na pwede mong itry. Some are too strong for me, but yung Honey Macaulay, must try. Meron na rin silang photo booth. Nice activity to add kapag nandito kayo. I'm with my cousins and they tried the buffet pa rin and solid pa rin yung experience. May mga nadagdag and nabawas sa buffet menu. And if you would ask me anong top picks ko sa food nila sa buffet, dun ako sa mga red dishes nila from tteokbokki, jjigae, fish cakes, chicken, kimchi rice. Sarap din yung seafoods nila and sashimi of course. Yung cheesy beef enoki sa grilled meats,